Okay. Good morning. I'm gonna take you with me today, and we're starting our day with a lovely peppermint tea. And I put it on my July bingo card to meditate every morning, so I just did that. Okay, this is a fit. What the hell? Okay, this is the fit, and I gotta go. I'm not late, I'm just not gonna be half an hour early. You know what I mean? Which is what I like. So, we gotta go. We have to go. Let's go! I am in some traffic because it's raining, but I'm heading to a bar class. Ooh. And thank God, because that cold brew I drank, ooh, it was so strong. It was so strong, which is good. It was like drinking gasoline, and so I'm gonna be going nuts at this bar class. I'm gonna be I'm gonna be leaping hard. You know what I mean? That bar class cooked me. Cooked. I'm gonna take a little nap. What time is it? It's 7:45 p.m. I'm gonna take a little nap. I'm gonna wake up. I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna party. This is the final look for the night. I fucking love these shoes. Okay. It's been great hanging out. I will see you soon. Oh my god, what a crazy night, guys. I'll tell you all about it soon. Like story time. Would you guys like a slime tutorial?